as I was saying, this is 5 months as of May 21st. What's happening here is the front bangs are starting to drop down a bit more. So it's like the first sign of droppage. I feel like on my first freeform journey at the 5-month mark, I had a little bit more progression. This time it's taking a bit slower, but it's still working. There's a lot of curls that are kind of staying in place. You can kind of see like something like that, something like this. You know, these are all little signs that the dreadlocks are starting to form. Because once the curl pattern, or if you have straight hair, once you start to notice that they're starting to like clump together, that's the first sign of lockage. In a normal scenario, somebody would comb those out and obviously it would prevent locks from forming. But in this scenario right now, this is the perfect observation you want to see on your freeform dreadlock journey. It's a pretty simple routine. I've been doing a little less than I should be. I haven't been washing it as often as I probably should. This should typically be at least once or twice or even 3 times a week, especially with cold water rinses. I just kind of wash it when I feel that it kind of gets too oily. But ideally, you want to use cold water washes and rinses at least once a week. Have I been following like a once or twice a week schedule with that regiment? I think I would have more progression right now. But truthfully, I'm not in any rush to have these come in. I just want to see how it goes day by day, just with regular routines. Even the shampoo I've been using, it's a medicated dandruff shampoo. It's not anything like Dr. Bronner's or black soap or baking soda. I haven't done a baking soda rinse yet. Baking soda rinses are great for stripping away excess oil that's happening and building up on the scalp and on the hair itself. Creates a better foundation for the hair to lock up together in the earlier stages. I haven't done any aloe vera, anything like that. No palm rolling, no towel rubbing, nothing anymore. Nothing at all. I just let it do its thing. And this, I just washed my hair yesterday. So in that wash, things came a bit more poofier. But when I go like a week, 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks without the wash, my hair actually does start to create a very tight curl pattern, and you can really see the locks coming in. And I have a clip here of my hair yesterday before the wash, which shows that it was a bit more defined in how the curls were coming in. With that being said, we should still wash your hair once a week doing the freeform journey. But it's day by day. I think by like the 8 to 9 month mark, like another 4 months from now, we'll start to see some more solid lockage as these curls start to tighten up. So yeah, it's day by day. It's working. I've been enjoying it. And nowadays I basically just walk around with my hair in the fro. I don't push it back. I don't really wear Tams. I'm really comfortable just wearing my hair like this right now. So, which is an interesting point, because when I first cut my hair back in December, I wore a Tam for a few months and I didn't really show people my hair. I didn't feel comfortable taking my hair out in the afro because it was pretty uneven the way that it was cut, so there was a lot of stray hairs hanging around. But now it's all kind of evened itself out in a pretty good manner, actually. And there was like a really long one at the back of my head. I think it was this one. It was actually the lock directly below it, but they seem to be attached, but you get the point. But that lock has shrunk significantly. Shrinkage is a sign that your hair is locking. And most times the shrinkage is usually half as long as your hair is. So if your hair's down to here when you start, the freeform start to take form, it's gonna shrink at least half and come back up to here. And that's a normal thing for it to do. It's a good sign of progression, and it's part of the dreadlock game and journey. So I'll keep you updated. I'll do a 6-month, a 7-month, 8-month update. I might work them into one video opposed to like 4 separate ones, because month by month you don't really notice much of a difference. But when I put them together and I come back now at like 8 months, like 3 months down the road from now, we'll see some good progression. So I'll leave it at that. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next update.